Welcome guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mighty Gideon, and in this very video today I'll be going to the account from 0.42 cents to $1,000 to a mighty height, and I'll only be using the strategy and the step-by-step guides in the book which I released, Micro to Millions. I'll only be following the guide there to grow this account. That's only what I'll follow to grow this account from a book. So let's dive in and see how we go to account to something very massive. If you watch, we took a buy trade on Evo USD because we cannot trade gold, so we have to trade Evo USD because it can allow us to take this trade now to gather more capital before we take our overall trades, entering trades on gold to something very massive. So currently, if you watch, you can see that we did the analysis at this very point. We analyzed this very trades from this overall zone. We mapped out that this very trade is currently going to buy from this very region here. There's going to be a buy from this very region that's from there. So that's why we took this very trades. And when we dived into the lower time frame, maybe to 30 minutes time frame, we mapped out a head and shoulder pattern that was at this very point. The head and shoulder pattern was at this very point at our level, and we took a trade on a sniper entry, and it's currently giving us profit now. And currently I'm closing out trades in profit at this very point, and we are now up in $1.37 at this very point. Let's take our next trade to go into our target. Our target is from 0.40 something cents to 1,000. Let's go to something very massive. So now this is GBP USD at this very point. You can see I'm trading less volatile currency pairs to try to accumulate capital, and the more capital I'm accumulating, I can be able to increase my positions and enter trades on currency pairs that are volatile and the rest, so I can make more money. At this very point, you can see that this 1 hour time frame here, I do recommend you to analyze your trade on higher time frame and execute to make profit, because the trade tend to respect higher time frames more than lower time frames. If you watch, you can see that this very trade but from this very point we tested here currently is at this very region. And if I map out my overall zone at this very point, you can see that this very trade I've currently retested at a very strong level there. You can see there's a very strong level of retesting at this very region there. At this region, you can see the trade retested at this very point. Now follow me step by step to go down to something very massive. From this very point, you can see the trade retested at that very point. And if I zoom into higher time frames, let me zoom into 4 hours time frame, you can see that there's a very strong zone at this very point, which signifies that that very strong zone is a very strong support level at this point. From this very region, you can see what I'm doing. Just follow me step by step. From this very point, you can see the trade which here we tested and bought massively at this very point. So currently, it have currently retested at this very region, which is showing me that the trade is going to continue buying to something very massive at that very point. So currently I'll be entering my buys now with 0.01 lot size. I'll enter my buy now. I entered my buy with 0.01 lot size. I'll be entering one more buys at this very point. So entered only 2 buys at the very point. Let's watch and see what GBPUSD has for us to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively at the very point. You can see on a sniper entry at the very point. And currently I'm closing out trades in profit at the very point. Close up position at the very point. Currently we're up in $2.21 at the very point. I'm only following the strategy from the new book I released titled Micro to Millions: How to Grow a Small Account to a Very Big Trading Portfolio, step by step. That's the only guide that I am following now to replicate it to go into something very massive. That is what I'm doing now. Currently we are up in $2.21 at this very point. So we're following this trading step by step. You can see how I started trading with 0 points for some dollars. I'm going to up in $2.21. Our target is to $1,000 to a mighty height. Let's enter our next trade to something very massive. We just caught a few trades at this very point. The trade just went on a sniper, and all our trades are mostly sniper entries at this very point. So currently, let's take our next trade to something very massive to a mighty height. So guys, at this very point we'll be taking our next trade because I've seen a very nice setup in USDJPY. You can watch me. I'm only trading currency pairs this period because my account is very little and I cannot take trades, and the more capital I raise, I can be able to take trades on gold, BTC USD, that can give me more capital, but now I'm trading currency pairs to gather capital and grow the account to something very massive to a mighty height at this very point. You can see, you can watch what happened here. You can see that this very trade in the past, let's go to the past and see what happened in the past, then let us replicate it to the present now. You can watch in the past, you can see that this very trade retested at this very point, sold down, retested, brought to the very point, sold down, and currently broke massively and retested here now, sold down massively. And if you watch, you can see this trade created in the past. I'm following the past to now show you what will happen in the present now. This trade now created a head and shoulder pattern in the past here. You can see that this very trade created in the past. You can see this very point is the shoulder, this very point is the shoulder, this very point is the head. The trade created a head and shoulder pattern. You can watch this very point is the head pattern at this very point. And this very point is the shoulder, and this very point also the shoulder at this very point. This is what the trade is currently creating there. I'm trying to make this video very educative for you all to learn how to grow accounts to something very massive the same way I'm doing. And also you can watch, you can see this very point is the shoulder, this very point is the shoulder, and currently the head. The trade now retested and currently sold down massively at that very point. That is what happened in the past. So currently, let us come to this very point. Let me delete this very once now. Let me come to this very point now. You can see the same scenario. You can see this very point is showing me a head and shoulder pattern here. Very simple, because in the trading charts, the market and the price repeat the same scenario over and over again. You can watch, you can see this very point is the head at this very point. This very point is the right shoulder at this very point, and this very point is the left shoulder at this very point. So what happened here? Have you noticed that what happened here in the past? They created it and sold down massively. So currently at this very point, I'm expecting the trade to sell down because it have currently reached my shoulder at this very point. I'm expecting the trade to sell down massively from this very point. So currently I've entered my sell with 0.01 lot size on EP01 for the trade to sell down massively and give me huge profit at this very point. I'm entering those 3 cells with 0.01. This is on a sniper entry to take and make huge profit to your mighty heart. Our target is from $0.47 to $1,000 to something very massive. So guys, the trade is currently selling down massive. You are currently making some profit at this very point. You know, in a small account, any little profit is a profit. And you may be wondering which strategy I'm using to flip the account to something very massive. You know, when it comes to trading and flipping small accounts, I'm the king of trading any small account. I'm Mighty Gideon. I have a couple of big accounts I do trade, but I do trade small accounts to try to teach you all that when it comes to trading, it's not about the account you're trading, it's about the strategy, and you can deposit any small account to trade and make huge profit to something very massive to a mighty height when you're trading. And for those that cannot learn my strategy, cannot join my academy to learn my strategy, you can buy the book I published, Micro to Millions: How to Grow a Small Trading Account to a Big Trading Portfolio. You can buy the book from a very little price and learn the strategy to be able to grow a small account to something very massive. It's a detailed book that contains the mighty strategy and principles, step-by-step guide to go to something very massive. I'm trying to educate and enlighten you, to inspire that in trading you need just a small account and the right strategy and principles with the guide to grow any small account to something very massive, and from there you can be able to generate capital and be elevated to something very massive to a mighty height. And next zone, I'll be mapping out a very strong zone again. There's a very strong zone at this very region here. That is where my next trade will be. And if you watch, the trade will replicate and repeat the same movement and the same scenario over and over again. This very trade, if this very trade sell to this very point, I'll be entering my buys automatically for the trade to buy and give me huge profit at that very point. The trade is repeating the same structure and principle step by step. You can see we are currently up in profits, and the main aim is to go to something very massive to a mighty height. And currently I'll be closing this trade in profit at this very point. I've closed our trade in profit, and currently we are up in $3.48. You can watch that we are going this account gradually from a very small account of 0.43 cents at this very point. That will be started going this account step by step, and we are growing it to our overall target of $1,000 gradually, step by step. And the same way I'm going it, the same way you can replicate and grow your small account to just follow the same strategy and the same guide on the book. You'll be able to grow your account gradually, step by step, to something very massive, to a mighty height.